Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. Academic writing skills. This video will help you with paragraph cohesion and using cause and result. Paragraph cohesion. The grammar and ideas in this paragraph here help with cohesion, but connections between these sentences are needed. So using cohesive devices to bring single sentences into a cohesive paragraph to show it is all connected and related to the same thing. So let's have a look at how we can do that with this paragraph here. So the ideas are good, the grammar is good, but it's single separate sentences that don't show a relation, a connection to the other sentences in the paragraph. So we can show the cause or show why with because, due to, as, since, or we can show the result. These help for cohesion in a paragraph. So let's look at the first two sentences here. Many learners find the first year of university quite difficult. So our topic sentence is introducing the main idea of our paragraph. Sentence 2, they need some time to adapt and understand what is expected of them. So there's no real connection between these two sentences. So I'm going to use cohesive device connections here. I'm showing the cause. Why is the first year of university quite difficult? As they need some time to adapt. So this is connecting the cause of our actions. Introducing a result of this first year difficulty. As a result, first year students often have lower results than continuing students. So this as a result is showing that connection to the first sentence in the paragraph. As they progress, GPAs and grades improve. Consequently, so another result is coming. The more experienced they are with this type of study, the greater the success. So you can see I've used as to show the cause and connect it. Then I'm showing the results. As a result, consequently. So I'm not using these with every sentence to show connection because that can be a little bit too much of the cohesive devices. So use some in your paragraph. Do not use them for every sentence though. This is part of any grading or marking on writing skills. They want to see cohesion, cohesive devices in your writing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.